Back to another video of Tony's phone collection. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of a lot of phones I picked up on eBay. This was, I think, if I remember, it was 70 or 80 bucks. I can't exactly remember. So let's go and take a look and see what we got. They are all untested. So the box is getting really complicated. There we go. Alrighty. Oops. Throw this around. There we go. So let's go ahead and start out with this one real quick. It is the Samsung Altel My Shot. I have one in blue and red. I just need a black one, so I went in and picked this one up. It's the SCHR430. It's in really good shape, it looks like. It's got a screen protector on the inside. The buttons look really clean, so there's that one. Here is a Sony Ericsson. Not too sure how, there we go. That's a weird looking battery slot. It is the, well, I expect you to see in there. Can't really tell the model. Oh, the W810i. Definitely don't have a battery for this one, I'm guessing. Looks to be in good shape though. It is a singular device. I'd probably have a charger for it, yeah. Just no battery. I might get one that fits. Here is a LG Voyager. I already have one of these, but this is the titanium. So it's at the chrome instead of the black. It's got a screen protector on the inside and the outside. It's got some kind of paint, maybe. Or it might just be a decal. I think it's a sticker. I think it's like a decal I used, but the glue staying behind on the phone, so that's going to be a pain to clean. Can't get the battery out because it's covered up. So there's that one. Here is a Nokia with singular. Not too sure how the back cover comes off. There we go. Nokia 1221 is the model number. It looks to be in decent shape, I would say. It's a track phone device. This one doesn't have a back or a battery. It's the Sony Ericsson W518 with AT&T. This kind of reminds me, the inside reminds me of the Equinox from Sony Ericsson. But there's that. Here is the Asus Garmin phone, which is on T-Mobile. This one should work if I remember right. Yeah, this one works. In really good shape. Obviously, don't have any of the docking stations or anything for it, but there it is, running a custom version of Android. I have one of these Motorola's, but it's missing the SIM card if I remember right. So I went and tried to order another one, and this one has no SIM card either. So now I got two W370s with no SIM cards, and if you guys know, there's a phone number there. If you guys know that they're very picky on SIM cards, that you have to have the original one. So there's two of those now I have, so we'll have one to drop test. I'm going to shut that off. Here is a Sprint LG LG 1010. It's an easy model number to remember. Looks to be in decent shape. Antenna's a little broken. It's those old flexible ones that always crack, but still there for the most part. Here is a Motorola V170. I thought it was a 171, but it's a 170. This one, if I remember right, has a broken LCD in there. You can kind of see. And it's singular, actually. I thought it was track phone. It's a singular device, which is pretty cool. In this one, we have a Samsung SCHR 450. Have a couple of these now. This one's Metro PCS. I have one that's Metro PCS, but it's been flashed to Cricket, I'm guessing. So hopefully this one will work. Here is, I don't think I have one of these. This is a LG C2000 with a singular. I would say in decent shape. The LCD might be broken, but other than that, pretty good shape. And then last but not least, we got my first in my collection Samsung Gravity, which is the model number SGHT 459. Missing a back cover and a battery. Should be pretty easy to source online though, on eBay of course. So, but yeah, there is this unboxing, guys. I might actually just add this. This one came from a separate person, but we're going to just make it one video to make it easier because it's going to be a short one if I unbox this one. It's going to be one of those old insulated ones, so alrighty, nothing else in it. This is going to be the LG, I think it's the 120 if I remember right. I could be wrong. Here it is. It's got a battery. LG LX 160. I was thinking it was the 150, but that's alright. It is gray. The back cover doesn't seem to want to go on all the way. I think these tabs are pushed too far down, but not a big deal. Here it is, to be in good shape. Not a lot of screen wear. There's some on the edges, but nothing too bad. Front looks to be in really good shape. So I'm just going to add that one into this one just because it'll be easier. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for the next one.